How to change X account password. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change the password of your X account to avoid any suspicious activities in the near future? If yes, then you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's learn how to change the password on X. Open X on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Open the Settings and Support drop-down menu. Scroll down a bit, select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Your Account option. Here you will see the Change Your Password option. Tap on it. Firstly, enter your current password. I have copied it, so I will simply paste it over here. If you have forgotten your current password, tap on Forgot Password to easily reset it. Now, create a new password. Ensure it is a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you have created a new password, confirm it. Finally, tap on Update Password. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your X account password. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.